Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 5, leçon L. And in this lesson we'll discover together les unités de mesure. Okay, so let's start. 1 millimètre. Les millimètres. 1 centimètre. Les centimètres. 1 mètre. Les mètres. 1 kilomètre. Les kilomètres. 1 mètre carré. Les mètres carrés. 1 litre. Les litres. 1 gramme. Les grammes. 1 kilo. 1 kilogramme. Les kilos. Les kilogrammes. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I just wanted to put well, the singular form and the plural form just for you to know whether it's masculine or feminine at the singular, and then just to check and to remember that you notice that at the plural form you will have to put this final S, but then you don't pronounce it. Okay, so you can check for the next lesson or the previous lessons on YouTube, and it's right here. Okay, and then the website imagier.net waits for you. Bye bye, have a great day.